السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. أما بعد. I am Waliullah Muhammad Sharif from Kerala, India. All of the Muslim community, please listen to my words. This is maybe last chance for you. Our biggest three holy land, Mecca and Medina and Baitul Muqaddas. This area too much problem making Israel government and American government and American basemen and military. So please now in support and peace work in Iranian government and Iranian people. Then remove all of the basemen from our GCC country and Baitul Muqaddas from Israel military and powerful systems. This is our peace work. This is our shahada. This is our shaheed. Insha'Allah, for of the Muslim community this message. My power from Allah, the Supreme Commander, leader in all of the world. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Insha'Allah.